pop movement is focused on mobilizing the 1.8 billion youth of the world to take knowledge-inspired action to protect our planet.
We have it, and I want you to keep focused on the hope. I want you to look at what we can do in the time we have, which is very short, so we need to do it now. But that's what the fundamental premise of the pop movement is.
Our health and our future depend upon the health of our planet. So we must protect our planet, and your action counts.
Movimiento!